Hello everyone, this is my review of these adjustable knee pad braces. They have a double layer design. This knee strap provides a snug comfort fit. Like I said, the straps is adjustable. It makes it easy to customize the tightness, ensuring that it stays securely in place during various activities. I found it doesn't shift or cause irritation. It impressed me the most in the dual action support system. It effectively alternates the pressure and provides targeted compression around the knees, which significantly reduces any discomfort I may have. So that's pretty cool. I'm quite satisfied with these knee pad straps, braces, and I hope this review helps.